Hello traders, today is day number 4 of small cap market open trading, or not trading, maybe a better term for it, because as you know, the market right now is crazy. Gas prices are going through the roof. The S&P 500 is gapping down. Right today it's trading inside, but after 2 huge gap down days, and it's really just a lot of uncertainty out there. So it's not really surprising to me that the small cap sector isn't really doing much and it's not triggering trades, because our trading plan is designed to keep us in the market during safer conditions. And when things are kind of crazy like this, the trading plan should not be triggered to take trades very often. Of course, there's always going to be exceptions where we'll get triggered to take a trade in any market condition, but that's not happening right now, and it didn't happen today. So this is the small cap screener, and you can see there's not a lot of green going on here. We were watching COGT, but it never met our criteria to take a trade. It never got high enough. Same thing with SIGA. We also looked at VERU and VTNR. So you can see that on the video here as I go through and check their daily chart criteria. Let's see, for a while there we were watching the screener. I was just showing you guys the screener because it's just lots of red, not a lot of action. And then finally we have SIGA, and the blue line represents the 5% price point compared to yesterday's close. So that is a strict requirement of my trading plan. Says that we are not allowed to take any trades unless the price is trading above the 5% level. So that's what that blue line is, and I just find it very helpful to have it on the chart. Just in case I get triggered to take a trade, I want to make sure that my entry is above that 5% threshold, because that's what all of our data and our statistics are for. They're telling us about trades that we've taken above the 5% threshold. Now, the price alert, that is just a matter of convenience so that I don't have to watch the chart on every single one of these tickers that we were watching, because we actually had 4 of them up here at once. And again, you can see where the blue line is, that's the 5% threshold, and I have a price alert set there for VERU. And COGT, same thing. And it did break out above that 5% threshold, but it never met any of our other criteria for setup. VTNR, there's the 5% threshold there, and an alert on the first yellow line, which marks out the previous session high. So all those lines must be broken before I can take a trade. And you can see none of these ticker symbols were able to break all of the lines. I'll just call them the lines that we require for our trade setup to be complete. All of that is written in detail in my trading plan, but none of it happened today, so it ended up just being a day to sit on the sidelines. And that was a question that I posed on the community tab yesterday on YouTube. Not so much a question, more of a statement that you shouldn't be deciding whether or not today is the day to sit on the sidelines. That should be built into your trading plan. And that's the way it is with mine. I don't have to think, is today a good day to trade or not? I just follow the criteria of my trading plan. And if the criteria are met, I take a trade. If not, then I'm forced to sit on the sidelines. And it has nothing to do with my market bias or my own decision making or subjectivity about what the market is doing today. So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to you. Sorry there were no trades to take today, but again, the markets are crazy right now, so it's not surprising. Yes, there are some micro caps and maybe nano caps that are moving, but that is stuff that we have absolutely no data for, so we can't just jump into something just because it's moving. So we have to wait for energy to come back in the small caps, and that's what we'll do. So as always, go in every single trade with a trading plan and stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.